This video series shows how to commission the CPX-AP-I-EC EtherCAT Remote I/O with Beckhoff PLC. Learn how to do the commissioning in this video. An application note is available on this topic with complete and detailed instructions. Adding a Beckhoff PLC. Open the Beckhoff TwinCAT XAE shell software. Click on New Project. Click on New TwinCAT Project. Select TwinCAT XAE Project, XML format. Provide a name to the project. Define the path to save the project. Right-click on PLC. Click Add New Item. Select Standard PLC Project. Provide a name to the project. Define the path to save the project. Adding a Beckhoff PLC to project. Select Choose Target System. Click on Search Ethernet. Click on Broadcast Search. Ensure all the check boxes are selected and click OK. Select the Beckhoff PLC. Click on Add Route. Ensure Secured ADS is not selected. Enter the username as administrator. Enter the password as 1. Note: connected Beckhoff PLC is notified as X. Click on Close and click on OK. Configuring the head module. Note: restart the TwinCAT system before scanning the devices. Click on Restart TwinCAT icon. Right-click on Devices. Select Scan. Uncheck other option except Device 1, EtherCAT. Double-click on box 3. Click on EtherCAT to view the EtherCAT address of the head module. Click on Slots and select 4IOL Variant 8. Scroll down and select CPX-AP-I-4 IOL-M12 Variant 2 for electric cylinder unit process data. Click on Startup for adding I/O link port configuration. Click on New. Double-click on Port Mode Port 0. Select IOL Auto Start. Adding CPX-AP library. Right-click on References. Select Library Repository. Click on Install. Select the downloaded library. Right-click on References. Select Add Library. Select Festo CPX-AP-I-EC. Linking PLC variables to CPX-AP module IOs. Right-click on GVLs. Select Add. Select Global Variable List. Enter the name of GVL as per the requirement. Configure the input and output as shown. Go to Build. Select Build Solution. Inputs and outputs are created. Locate and double-click on port 01. Note, you will get input values in second byte and set the output values in second byte because of the byte swap. Click on Linked to. Select GVL SMS Data SMS Input. Click OK to link the input. Close the window. Locate and double-click on port 4 PQI. Click on Linked to. Select GVL SMS Data SMS PQI Inputs. Click OK to link the input. Locate and double-click on port 01. Click on Linked to. Select GVL SMS Data SMS Output. Click OK to link the output. Click on Restart TwinCAT System icon. Click on Active Configuration icon. Ensure the checkbox of Auto Start PLC Boot Project is selected. Click Login icon. Process Data Input Monitor and Output Control. Right-click on Value on Input Data. Select Binary option in Display Mode. Refer to the manual of the I/O link devices for bit-wise mapping of process data in and process data out. As per bit mapping of process data in, the cylinder is in state in position. To execute move out, enter the value 2 in the prepared value of SMS output. Click on Write Value icon to write changed value to PLC. Position changes are seen in SMS input. Now cylinder is in state out position. To execute move in, enter the value 1 in the prepared value of SMS output. Click on Write Value icon to write changed value to PLC. Position changes are seen in SMS input. Now cylinder is in state in position. Diagnostics of CPX-AP. Go offline to create new POU in the program. Right-click on POUs. Select Add. Select POU. Enter the name of POU as required. Confirm implementation language selected as function block diagram. Double-click on Main PRG. Type in the name of program in the main program as shown. Open the created POU. Right-click on Program window and select Insert Empty Box. Click on Browse button. Click CPX-AP Diag functional block. Enter the name of the diagnosis functional block as required and press Enter. Name the tags as required and click Enter. Double-click on Device 1 for inserting net ID. Copy the net ID. Name the net ID tags as required and click Enter. Click on Initialization Browse button. Paste the net ID in init value with single quotes. Double-click on Box 3, CPX-AP-I-EC 12. Copy the EtherCAT address. Name the EtherCAT address tag as required and click Enter. Paste the EtherCAT address in init value. Create all other tags. Build, download, and log in the program to the PLC. Working with Diagnostics block. Double-click on Enable tag to make it true. Click Write Values icon. CPX-AP Diag block, active status is true. Number of active module are shown in active modules. Note, if an error occurs, you will find the error details in diagnostic block. In this example, I/O link device is interrupted. Double-click on Box 3, CPX-AP-I-EC 12, to view diagnostics history in Beckhoff PLC. Select Diag History. Select only New Messages and Auto Update to view error details. Error details will appear in window. Number of active error is visible. Error module number is visible in module number. Browse the module diagnostic data to view the error details of module 2. In error description we can view the error details as no device connected. Now the commissioning is completed.